Hello everyone. Today, we'll talk about a critical aspect of a student's life when studying MBBS abroad, that is, hostel facilities and living standards. Whether you're heading to China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, or other countries, knowing about your accommodation is crucial for a comfortable student life. Let's dive into the details. Hostel facilities in China. In all the universities partnered with Omkar Medicom in China, all the hostels are inside the campus, and rooms are designed to offer comfort and convenience. Here's what you can expect. Room configuration. All rooms are double-bedded, equipped with air conditioners, room heaters, and include 2 separate beds, 2 study tables, 2 wardrobes, shoe racks, Wi-Fi routers with 5G broadband connections for uninterrupted internet access. Now let us talk about the attached facilities. Each room has an attached bathroom with a geyser, wash basin, and western toilet. Approximately 75% of rooms come with spacious balconies, offering a touch of openness. 99% of hostel buildings are equipped with elevators for easy access. Additional amenities. Kitchens, 1 or 2 fully equipped kitchens on every floor for cooking. Laundry room includes multiple washing machines and quick dryers. Study room, a quiet space dedicated for studying. Indoor games room features multiple table tennis boards and badminton courts. Gym, a mini gym inside the hostel, in addition to the university's main gym. In short, hostel facilities in China offer 3-star living standards, ensuring comfort and security for students.
Finally, I got my room. So tired. Now I'll sleep. Now I'm done. This
Are you
is my
happy?
room. Very, very, very happy.
Total MBBS fees in 871st World-Ranked Government Medical University is only 11 lakhs rupees, that too in full English medium. Is this true?
Yes, that's right. 100% true. Contact Omkar Medicom now for confirmed admission. Hostel facilities in Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and other countries. Hostel facilities in these countries share a similar style as they were historically influenced by Russian architecture. Here's an overview. Room configuration. All hostel buildings are outside the campus, sometimes quite far away. Most rooms are 3-bedded or 4-bedded, with some having 6 beds. These rooms typically feature bunk beds. Basic furnishings include room heaters, study tables, and wardrobes, in some cases. Shared bathroom facilities. Bathrooms are not attached to the rooms. Instead, they are located on specific floors, often on the ground floor. Bathrooms, toilets, and wash basins are in separate areas. There are common basins for washing hands and faces. Balconies or elevators. All the Russian hostel rooms do not have balconies. Approximately 99% of these hostel buildings lack elevators, making accessibility a challenge. Additional amenities. 1 or 2 kitchens per floor with basic cooking facilities. Laundry room, equipped with washing machines and dryers. Other facilities. A few hostels may have separate study rooms. Limited indoor games like 1 or 2 table tennis boards. Small gyms with basic equipment, separate from the university's gym. Hostels in these countries are basic in nature, offering fewer facilities compared to those in China. Common features across all hostels. Despite the differences, one thing remains consistent across all hostels in China and Russian countries. Tight security. Security rooms with personnel on duty. CCTV cameras installed on every floor to ensure student safety. Key differences between China and Russian countries. In China, all hostels are owned and managed by the university, and they are inside the campus. Students in China must stay in university-provided hostels throughout their course. In Russia, Kazakhstan, and similar countries, hostels are outside the campus, often located 2 to 10 kilometers away. Adequacy of accommodation. In Chinese universities, hostel facilities are sufficient to accommodate all students. In Russian countries, hostels often lack enough rooms, forcing students to shift to private apartments by their second year or even during their first year. Private hostels are also available but limited in number. Conclusion: choosing the right country and university for your MBBS is a big decision. At Omkar Medicom, we ensure that you are fully informed and prepared. Whether you're opting for the modern, well-equipped hostels in China or the more basic options in Russian countries, we'll guide you every step of the way. Remember, your comfort matters, and Omkar Medicom is here to make your MBBS journey smooth, secure, and successful.
Quality education, endless opportunities. Your study abroad future begins with Omkar Medicom. Don't be late. Apply now to get scholarships.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We upload new videos of different universities every week. See you in our next video.